everyone and welcome to Chateau Memoirs. In this vlog we went to visit the chateau from the 15th century 20 minutes outside Lyon, and we will take you with us where all the items had been sold at auction. It's our first time collecting directly, and we will talk you through the important points. We talked to the auctioneers before we planned to go, and they said we will have help to take down the chandeliers. In the auction we won 2 chandeliers. Did we break anything?
We have to pick it up before lunch, and I'm a little bit worried that we will not make it. And they're quite strict with time here in France. At the chateau now to pick up the chandeliers.
No, pick up a tractor. Kidding.
I think they're with the chateau, that tractor. You know what the price, asking price for the chateau?
No, I haven't seen it. No, I haven't checked either.
Yeah, but the other one that we got in Cannes, 5 chandeliers we got in Cannes, that one is went for in the market for 16 million euro.
16.8.
16.8?
They were asking 16.8. The one in Cannes, yeah, 16.8 million.
Wow.
Yeah, here we're walking up to a lot of people here with handwritten notes, and we're supposed to get this from the auctioneer, we found out. Where is the auctioneer? No signs or where they are in the chateau, walking around. And then one of the removal men who works for the auctioneer house, he told us we have to wait outside until it's our turn.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah, this one.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I see a small version. I thought it's small. Look at Johan hand.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Hi Johan.
And this is on 176, so it's 190 maybe high.
Yeah, well this we're gonna have, probably has to be on top of the round table that in the Grand Salon. No idea how we're gonna take this down, but it's beautiful, even better condition than the one downstairs. This is beautiful. This is complete, like no damage to it.
The chandeliers are original from the chateau. One was in the grand salon, the chapel. The chandeliers are IHS engraved and are rare antique church chandeliers. In this clip you see we're taking down the chandelier in the chapel, but the battery and GoPro ran out, so unfortunately only a few clips, so I will explain here what to do and is needed. As you can see, it's not an easy to take down, as we decided to dismantle it piece by piece so to minimize any breakage. We found we needed tools and I forgot them, so a quick sprint to the local supermarket, quick. I looked at the GPS, said a minute, got in the car, get the tools and headed back up. Totally probably took about 20 minutes or so. As a heads up, if you ever go to an auction win to collect directly at the property, then the best is to bring tools with you, as they will have nothing. My suggestion, the more you bring, the better it is. Even the ladder they supplied us was wobbly and dangerous. First, the ladder down in the Grand Salon was not safe. The ladder in the chapel was not safe. We took duvets and other protective material to help in the transportation from this chateau home to us, which is about a 4-hour drive. But we had to go somewhere after that, further down south. So it was a long journey. And unfortunately, the chandeliers were also too high for our van, so we had to remove the top part as well, and they just fit in. Managed to tie them in the top part in the inside roof of the van, hang them a little so they wouldn't move too much on the journey. All the items you'll be seeing here in the video, they were sold during the auction. It was only open for 2 days for removal. We came on the second day quite late, so there wasn't that much left. And we found out some items were sold for over 50,000 euros. And it was a popular auction, as we saw cars from Holland, Germany and Italy that were collecting also.
The upholstery, Johan. Wow. Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful.
And that is when very high, that one. All this.
Yeah, we look the sofa we're looking at, remember?
Yeah, Johan want that one. Way too big. That would be perfect for landing. Look at this one. Wow. Beautiful. It's huge. That's me in the back there. And that's our chandelier.
That's a mirror like the one we had all on.
Yeah. I was thinking about building that one. I didn't. Because I thought it was small, but it's huge like this. I don't mind.
And then they had a secret door.
Yeah. Wow. Love the wallpaper. This would be perfect. I know the fabric, sorry.
It's beautiful.
It would be perfect for the Grand Salon.
Yeah.
I want this color like this.
Let's take a picture. You can find it first.
Yeah. Wow. Johan loved this piece, but we didn't bid for it because we thought it's tiny. Huge, everything here is big scale. The ceiling height is lower than our.
I think so, a little bit.
Yeah. The paneling. Everybody has, oh my God, they have to empty out today. Look at this. On this chair. Wow. It's sad to see. It's empty. It's sad.
The chateau that we're in had been used to hold events and wedding functions. But watch till the end and you'll find out what will happen to the chateau now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. If you do like it, give us a thumbs up. And to our subscribers, and if you're new here, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Be notified of any new updates or vlogs that we post. That's all for today, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Là, ça va faire 4 ans que je suis dans le j'ai fait 6 ans d'ambulance. Et auparavant, j'ai fait 6 ans de
We are here to pick up our lot in the south of France. And here is the passengers. Hello, master, lady and gentlemen.
Et les cuirs.
Oui.
D'accord.
Ça c'est d'or.
Attends.